Hi guys, Parvo this side back with another fitness controversy. Backed by popular demand, we are Bolt Fitness family and we will tackle the ultimate showdown, creatine versus other performance boosters. Everyone's looking for that edge to level up their fitness game. But is creatine really the best? Or are there other options out there that can give you more gains? We are diving deep into the science, breaking down the pros and cons. So if you are here to maximize your performance, stick around. Okay, so we all know creatine. It's the king of supplement world, right? But what exactly does it do? Creatine helps your muscles to produce energy during high intensity exercise. It's like turbo boost for your workouts, helping you push harder and build more muscle. But what about other options like pre-workout, whey protein, BCAA or even steroids? Let's start with pre-workout. These are basically energy drinks but on steroids. Not literally, chill. They contain caffeine and other stimulants that can give you quick boost of energy. They can help you feel more energized during your workout. But they can also cause jitters, anxiety and crashes. Plus, you can build up tolerance on them, meaning you need more and more for the same effect. Not ideal. Then we have protein powder. Protein is essential for muscle growth and repair. So it's a convenient way to make sure you're getting enough of it. But it's not a performance booster in the same way as creatine. It's more like a building block you need to recover and grow. BCAA or branched chain amino acids are another popular supplement. They can help reduce muscle soreness and fatigue, but their impact on your performance is less than creatine. Now, let's talk about elephant in the room, steroids. These are synthesized hormones that can dramatically increase your muscle mass and strength. But they come with a whole lot of serious side effects, including heart problem, liver damage and hormonal imbalance too. They are also illegal without prescription. So yeah, hard pass on that, not worth the risk. So, where does creatine fits into all of this? Well, it's the most researched and safest supplement to boost your performance. So you don't need to worry about jitters or crash. And it's not a hormone, so you don't need to worry about messing your body's natural process. It simply helps your muscles to work more efficiently. Of course, everyone has a different body. What works for one won't work for another. It's always a good idea to do research and talk to a doctor or a registered dietitian before starting any new supplement. Creatine is definitely a top contender when it comes to boosting your performance, especially for muscle growth and strength. But it's important to be informed about all your options and make the best choice according to your goals and needs.